Right, sorry about that. We ran out of recording, so we're back up and running again. So let's carry on from where we left off. In the tenths column now, we just added the hundredths. 0 hundredths plus 2 hundredths give me 2 hundredths. 7 tenths plus 4 tenths give me 11 tenths. I'm going to put one of the tenths down here, and the other 10 tenths I'm exchanging for 1 1, because we know that 10 tenths is exactly the same as 1 1. Put my decimal point in the same place, and my 1 1 goes down here. Okay, I'm going to add the 1 and the 9 first because I know that's easier. So 1 1 plus 9 ones is 10 ones, plus 3 more ones give me 13 ones. I'm keeping 3 of my ones, and my 10 ones I'm exchanging for 1 10. So I'm putting 1 10 down here. I've got 3 10s plus 1 10, which gives me 4 10s. So the answer is 43.12. And I'm going to write out my number sentence so I can clearly see that. So my box is here, which is this bit. So 43.12 plus, nope, sorry, let me do that again because it's not plus, it's subtract. 43.12 take away 33.7 equals 9.42. And we can see that that makes sense, okay, using our common sense. Okay, brilliant, that's 2. We've got another one to look at. Let's have a look at this one. I think this is my final one that I'm going to show you. Yes, it is. So let's have a look at this one. So this time we've got box equals 4,091 take away 1,846. Now we know that equals means balance. So whatever's on this side will need to be the same as whatever's on this side. Okay, so it doesn't matter that the equal sign's in a different place because we know that equals means balance. So again, I'm going to write my magic number sentence on top. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now I'm going to look to see if the pattern matches. Plus with an equals and a minus. It doesn't match. So we need to change our magic number sentence to fit this pattern, okay? Now it needs to be subtract here, remember. So if I put 6 here, it's not going to work because 6 does not equal 4 take away 2, and it does not equal 2 take away 4. So I can't put 6 at the start, so it's going to be one of these other numbers. 4 equals 6 take away 2, or 2 equals 6 take away 4. Doesn't matter which one of those ones you go for, they both will fit the pattern. So I'm going to go for 4 equals 6 subtract 2, because 6 subtract 2 is 4 and 4 equals 4. Okay, brilliant. So I've got my magic number sentence the right way round, which fits the pattern of my problem. I then put my box around the missing part. So the missing part's here, so I'm going to put it around the 4, so it's in the same place. And now using these two numbers, I can see how I can get to my 4. It's as it is already. It's 6 subtract 2 will get me to my 4. So now I know by looking at my problem, all I've got to do is 4,091 subtract 1,846, okay, to find my missing box. So 4,091 subtract 1,846. 1 take away 6. I know I can't do that, so I'm going to take one of my 10s. I've got 8 10s left, and my 1 10 I'm exchanging for 10 ones. So now I've got 11 ones. 11 ones take away 6 ones, leave me with 5 ones. 8 10s subtract 4 10s, leave me with 4 10s. 0 hundreds subtract 8 hundreds. Well, I can't do that, so I'm taking one of my thousands. I've got 3 thousands left, and with that 1,000 I'm exchanging it for 10 hundreds, because 1,000 is exactly the same as 10 hundreds. So I've got my 10 hundreds now. 10 hundreds take away 8 hundreds, leave me with 2 hundreds. 3 thousands subtract 1,000, leave me with 2 thousands. So it's 2,245. I'm going to write that out now just to make sure that it looks correct. So it's always important to check your answer. So my missing box is here. So 2,245 equals 4,091 subtract 1,846, and that all looks fine. Okay, brilliant. Now we've been doing this in class this week, and we struggled on Monday and Tuesday. We were getting the hang of it on Wednesday, and we were pretty confident on it today, so well done. But this is here to help you remember. Okay, so let's just recap. Remember, use your magic number sentence as a guide to help you understand how to complete the more difficult calculation. Okay, that's what you're using it for. It's to use an easier problem to help you figure out what to do with that more difficult problem. Okay? Thinking of an easier problem to help you solve a more difficult problem. Okay, that's why we use it. And here we go. There's 3 for you to have a go at for homework. And we're going to look at these on Monday as well as your other homework that's due in. So good luck.